Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing and then also a demo and review of the Jadisi Smart LED strip lights. Total of 64 feet of lights inside of this box, and they do produce up to 16 million different colors. Their music can react to music, microphone, as well as timer function, and there are apps for Android and iPhone in order to control them. So let's open up and take a quick look at it. And then we're going to do an unboxing. 50/50 LED strip lights. These are your instructions. You've got some foam tape here to use to put them up. You've got a remote control so that you can control them by remote, even without the app. And then you've got your lights. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of lights. That one's already attached. You've got these 3 additional to attach, or a total. Each one of these is about 16.4 feet, I believe. So grand total is about 64 feet of length. And then you've also got another foam sticky for if you need to stick this somewhere or the controller somewhere. You've also got some guides, screw-in guides, as well as corner to help go around corners, and some sticky guides, so really help you mount it wherever you need or want to mount it. You've got your power control and then your brain control. This is your brain control. It does also have some controls on it: speed, mode, color, and I believe that's probably one of the mics, or the mic that it's talking about, to pick up sound in order to react to sound. So everything you need here. This is your remote receiver. You can see you've got your 3 additional hookups for the additional lights. And there you go. So that's what comes in the box. Now let's see these guys in action. So I have these laid out and connected. I have 2 sets of those lights connected end to end, and then the other 2 sets I connected directly to the controller, just to show that you can do it either way. And right now they're kind of going through different colors, but you have the little remote you can use to turn it on or off, or just change colors. So you can have just a static color if you want. If you don't want it rotating through colors, you can see static colors there. This sort of a whitish color. So different things. And then you have different modes, and you can control the brightness too. So right now I'm changing the brightness. Now my camera is going to adjust. So you only get to see it dim or bright for a second, and then my camera automatically adjusts to make it look the same. But as I go, that's the dimmest, and then now it's getting brighter. Of course, again, my camera adjusts, but you can see you can get really dim or really bright depending on how you want to do it. And you can change the color to whatever color you want it to be. And then you also have modes, and different modes do different things. And again, this is just using the remote to go through these, and then you can change the speed of what you're doing. And using the remote, you can also have it react to music. Using the microphone that's built into the device, you can have it react more immediately or more subtly, which is kind of cool. But right now we're going to go over to the app so you can kind of see how it works with the app, because the app is really cool. Once you install the app, the Happy Lighting app, it just connects through Bluetooth. You don't have to really do a lot. And now I can control it. You can see I can dim it all the way down, make it brighter, dimmer, brighter. You can control the color. And you can go around this wheel with this little red thing, and as you go around the wheel, color wheel, it changes to the color you are at, and then stop. Or you can just touch the wheel where you want it to go, make it the color you want. You can also have static colors built on here, just your standard basic colors that you can choose down there. So very cool. You also have this sort of rainbow pulsing. So if you go there, and you'll see now it's going to really quickly go through rainbow colors, but you can slow that down if you want to slow it down a little bit. And now it's going to slowly go through those colors. And let's see, what else can you do? Oh, this is cool. So you can have music. So I'm going to have it react to music. So you can see right now it's reacting to the music. I'm going to pause that for a second. Now, in this mode, I'm actually playing music through the app. But you can also not play music through the app and just have it react to sound in the room. Right now, it's reacting to my voice. So when I talk, it's reacting. And you can choose whether you want it to use the mic. Let's see if I can get it to focus in here. You can get it to choose, I don't know if I can, with the lights in the background. You can choose it to react to the mic that's built into the device, or use your phone mic. Either way, which is really cool. Because most of the time, you're probably going to want it to use the mic built into the device. But if you want to use your phone, you can. And you can see right now, it's reacting to my voice. Let's go back to the rainbow style, and now I'm gonna get out of the app, and we're gonna go back to the remote, show you the two different music modes. Music mode number 1, you can see as I speak, it reacts and comes on, and so if you're playing music, this is how it would go. Music mode number 2 is even more drastic. So you can see that's like lightning fast. Every little beat, every little sound, it's pulsating to. Again, music mode number 1 is like that. And again, you have the different modes you can go through as well as just having a nice static color if you just wanted static ambient color in your room, and changing the brightness levels. You're able to do all of this with the remote, with the app. Just really lots of different effects you could have. Again, in total 64 feet, and you can attach end to end, or you can attach some end to end and some from the source, so that you can kind of create the design and place them where you need to place them. You've got that reaction to music. You control the brightness, everything. Really cool, really full-featured LED lights from Jadisi to help you get that really cool LED ambient color lighting in any room of your house that you want to, and just has a really cool effect. So really excellent product by Jadisi. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer you as quickly as I can. The product is available on Amazon, so I have a link in the description below to the product over there. You can click that, jump over to Amazon, check them out. Don't forget to favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, subscribe to my channel, keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.